Everyone is chasing the same Toyotas and Hondas, driving prices sky high while missing out on the best engineering of the decade. Today, we're stepping away from the crowd to reveal 5 hidden gems that offer luxury, soul, and bulletproof reliability for a fraction of the cost. If you want to look like you've made it, drive like a pro, but pay like a Honda owner, the 2015 Acura TLX is your secret weapon. In 2026, used car prices are insane, but the TLX remains surprisingly affordable because most people are too busy fighting over used Camrys to notice this luxury masterpiece sitting right next to them. The 2015 TLX was a huge leap for Acura. It replaced both the TSX and the TL, giving you a car that's perfectly sized between a nimble sports sedan and a highway cruiser. Most importantly, it comes with the 2.4-liter K24W7 engine. For those who don't speak mechanic, that is the legendary K-Series engine, one of the most reliable 4-cylinders ever built by human hands, now pumping out 206 horsepower. The mechanic's reality check. But Conca, even a hidden gem, has some rough edges you need to polish. Here's what to look for. The 8-speed dual-clutch, DCT. Shutter. This is the most unique transmission in the world because it's a DCT, but it has a torque converter. It's fast, but early 2015 models had some software glitches that made them shift roughly at low speeds. Mechanic's tip: don't panic. Usually, a simple software update from an Acura dealer or a fresh transmission fluid change, using only Acura genuine fluid, makes it butter smooth again. Precision all-wheel steer. PAWS. This car actually steers its rear wheels to help you turn. It's brilliant for handling, but if you hear a clicking sound from the back during sharp turns, the actuators might be tired. It's a specialized part, so make sure your mechanic checks the rear steering rack during the pre-purchase inspection. V6 vibration, the 3.5-liter model. If you opt for the bigger V6 engine instead of the 2.4-liter, listen for a vibration at highway speeds. This is often the VCM, Variable Cylinder Management System, kicking in to save gas. Many owners install a VCM muzzler, a $100 plug-and-play part that keeps all cylinders running all the time, making the engine last even longer and the ride smoother. Interior Texor. The dual-screen infotainment was futuristic in 2015, but in 2026, it can feel a bit dated. Check the lower screen for ghost touches or lag. The 2015 Acura TLX is for the driver who wants the reliability of a Honda Accord but the soul of a luxury sports sedan. It's quiet, it's fast, and in the right color it still turns heads at the valet. If you find one with a clean service history, you aren't just buying a car, you're buying a $50,000 experience for a fraction of the price. In 2026, finding a reliable SUV that doesn't feel like a boring appliance is a challenge. Enter the 2016 Mazda CX-5. This was the year Mazda perfected the first generation, adding more sound insulation and a much better interior. While everyone else is paying a premium for a Toyota badge, the smart money is buying this Skyactiv masterpiece. Under the hood, you'll most likely find the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine. It's naturally aspirated, meaning no turbochargers to fail, and it's paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. No CVT rubber band feel here, just a solid mechanical connection that makes this SUV actually fun to drive. The mechanic's reality check. It's a Mazda, so it's built to last, but there are a few quirks you need to know. LED headlight. Recall, the 2016 model is famous for its LED running lights, flickering or dying. Mechanic's tip: check if the recall was done. If not, a dealer might still fix it, or you can find gasket repair kits online. Don't pay $1,000 for a new assembly if you don't have to. The ghost touch screen. The infotainment screen might start clicking things on its own. It's annoying, but the fix is easy. You can either buy a $50 digitizer kit or, if you don't use the touchscreen, simply have your mechanic disconnect the touch cable behind the dash. The commander knob still works perfectly. Parking sensor. Glitch. Sometimes the car won't shut off completely. even when you push the button. This is usually a tiny $50 sensor in the shifter assembly that fails. It's a 30-minute DIY fix that saves you a massive headache at the dealership. Paint and glass. Mazda. Paint is famously thin. Look for rock chips on the hood and cracks in the windshield. If you find one with a clear bra, PPF, buy it immediately. The 2016 CX-5 is the SUV for people who love to drive but hate to visit the mechanic. It's stylish, efficient, and significantly more premium inside than a RAV4 of the same year. If you change the oil every 5,000 miles and use high-quality spark plugs, this thing will easily see 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. If you hate the trend of tiny 4-cylinder turbo engines, the 2018 Acura RDX is your sanctuary. This was the final year of the second generation, and it represents the golden era of Honda engineering. It's built on a proven platform with a massive 3.5-liter V6 engine, J35, and a traditional 6-speed automatic. No turbos to blow, no CVT to whine. Just smooth, linear power that makes highway merging a breeze. While the world moves to 2026 tech, this RDX stays old school where it counts: reliability. But because it's a high-performance V6, there are two things you must tell your mechanic to check. The timing belt. Unlike the 4-cylinder Toyotas we talked about, this V6 uses a timing belt. It needs to be replaced every 100,000 miles. Mechanic's tip: if you're buying one with 90,000 or 100,000 miles, ask for proof of the belt and water pump change. If they haven't done it, use that to knock $1,500 off the price. The VCM muzzler. This engine shuts down 3 cylinders to save gas. Variable cylinder management. Over time, this can cause motor mount wear and spark plug fouling. Spend $100 on a VCM muzzler kit. It's a 5-minute plug-and-play fix that keeps all 6 cylinders firing all the time. Your engine will run smoother and last way longer. In 2026, the 2018 RDX is the ultimate used luxury hack. It's faster than a RAV4, more reliable than a BMW X3, and because everyone is waiting for the 2019 Plus redesign, you can find these 2018 models for a steal. It's luxury that doesn't demand a luxury repair budget. You want a daily driver that looks like a 2026 model but has the maintenance cost of a bicycle. The 2014 Mazda 3 is your winner. This was the first year of the Kodo design and the Skyactiv revolution. While other brands were experimenting with fragile CVTs and small turbos, Mazda stuck to their guns with a high-compression, naturally aspirated engine and a rock-solid 6-speed automatic. The result? A car that handles like a BMW but lasts like a Toyota. In 2026, many of these are hitting the 200,000-mile mark with nothing but oil changes. But Conca, even a bulletproof beauty, has some secret scars you need to check before you sign that title. The mechanic's reality check, Ghost Touch. Infotainment. This is the #1 complaint. The screen's adhesive fails over time, making it click random things. Mechanic's tip: don't let a shop charge you $1,000 for a new unit. You can find replacement digitizers for $40 on eBay, or just disable the touch function and use the commander knob like a pro. The belt tensioner leak. Look at the serpentine belt tensioner. They are hydraulic and famously start leaking oil around 80,000 miles. If it's messy, swap it out, $150 part, before it snaps your belt and leaves you stranded. Rear suspension. Rattle, if you hear a clunk over bumps, it's usually just the rear stabilizer bar links or bushings. It's a $100 fix, but it's a great way to negotiate $500 off the price. Carbon buildup. Like all direct injection engines, these can get carbon on the intake valves after 120,000 miles. If the idle feels a bit rough, ask your mechanic about an induction cleaning. It'll bring your MPGs and power back to life. In 2026, the 2014 Mazda 3 is the ultimate life hack for students, commuters, or anyone who wants to enjoy driving without dreading the mechanic's bill. It's fuel-efficient, gorgeous, and fundamentally over-engineered. We are closing this list with a car that is already becoming a legend because they simply don't make them like this anymore. The 2021 Mazda 6. In 2026, the sedan market is dying, and everything has been replaced by soulless SUVs. But the Mazda 6 is the final stand of the executive sedan. This was the last production year for North America, and Mazda put everything they had into it. Inside, this car feels like a $60,000 European luxury cruiser. The Napa leather, the real wood trim in the signature model, and the silence on the highway. It's world-class. But under that beautiful, soul red paint lies a drivetrain that is pure Japanese reliability. You get two choices: the tried-and-true 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated, or the 2.5-liter turbo. The mechanic's reality check. Since this is a newer model, your mechanic's inspection will be a bit different. The turbo coolant leak. If you go for the turbo model, have your mechanic check the cylinder head near the exhaust manifold. Some early 2.5T engines had a casting issue that caused a coolant leak. By 2021, Mazda mostly fixed this, but a quick pressure test during your pre-purchase inspection is a must for peace of mind. The folding mirror. Motor. These mirrors are beautiful, but the tiny plastic gears inside can strip if they get frozen in winter or hit. If you hear a whirring noise but the mirror doesn't move, it's a common Mazda quirk. Mechanic's tip. You can buy just the gear for $20 instead of the whole $500 mirror assembly. Low-profile wheel. Damage. The 2021 models, especially the higher trims, come with gorgeous 19-inch wheels. In 2026, with our aging roads and potholes, these wheels are magnet for bends and cracks. Check the inner rim for any repairs or vibrations at 60 miles per hour. Battery drain. Mazda 6s are packed with tech. If the car sits for more than a week, the battery can get weak, leading to weird dashboard warning lights. Invest in a high-quality AGM battery, and 90% of your electronic ghosts will disappear. In 2026, the 2021 Mazda 6 is for the person who refuses to drive a boring crossover. It's for the person who wants a car that looks like a Jaguar, laughs like a Toyota, and drives like nothing else on this list. It is the perfect hidden gem to end our list because it's a car you buy with your heart and your head.